just made it to my next stop. I'm in Hanover, just got to Yesteryear. Like I said, I'm really trying to keep my spending down today. So I'm gonna go in and see what I can find. I usually get pretty lucky here. That is such a cute birthday candle holder with the train. I've seen the Christmas one, I've seen the circus one. I've never seen the one with animals. $40 is definitely too high for me to do anything with, but I love that it's got the original box too. All right, well, it looks like a lot of these are reproduction. However, these guys, oh man, it's a little bit of wear on the paint, but they're still only $7. Is that a nick? I think that's a little nick. Hold on, let me put my camera down. Yeah, so it's got a little bit of a chipped nose as well as the paint loss. As much as I want to pick these up, I want them to be in a little bit better condition. I know, someone's probably like, what? I cannot help but notice this vase. That is absolutely beautiful. Doesn't look marked. It's an unusual size. It's $45 and then 30% off. I'm actually gonna do the math on that right quick. So it comes to $31.50. It's not marked, which makes me a little uneasy, honestly. If it had the stamp on the bottom, I might do it even, but that one's a tough call. I really like the carnival glass too. Yeah, it's kind of hard to notice that when you see this though. I think it's a little too close for me. I always really like these spaceman astronaut bottles. Now they sell for pretty good money. They're $40 and 30%, which makes them $28, which if I was buying for myself would be a steal. Normally these sell for probably around $35 to $45 each. Some are listed for more, but they are pretty common, even though it's kind of hard to find them for a good deal. So I'm not going to pick them up. $28 I feel like is probably around what I'd get for that after fees. I really like these half doll pin cushions too. This is one of those instances where I think some of the discoloration on them adds to their character. They're $12 as is. I guess it's just because of the wear. Oh no, it's got damage there. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna leave those ones behind. All right, I guess we're keeping with the space theme, which is a really good theme to have. Astronaut stuff and space stuff usually sells for a lot. Of course, I'm a big fan of the tin litho toys. I'm seeing this rocket ship astronaut guy, spinning top. Let's see. It's $13 and 20%. I'm just playing with it. So it comes to about $10. Now, these don't actually sell for as much as you would think. I will say they're relatively common, even though they're astronaut themed, which would make them seem like they're worth a lot. But I've seen these on eBay anywhere between like $8 and $15. So again, if I was buying it for myself, I would jump on it at $10, save myself the shipping fees. But I just can't bite the bullet for resale because, like I said, they're kind of common and they're all over the place online. Excuse me. Dang, $40. That's a shame. I got really excited about that. That's probably about what I'd sell that for too. These are pretty hard to find. I've only had one once before. Oh, love the flocked. What a fabulous tin. Corner, that's a pretty good maker. At $10, it leaves a little bit of room, but only a couple bucks. I'm trying to be a little thrifty today, like I said. couldn't help but notice this bottle. That's really pretty. $15. That's probably about what I'd get for that after fees. Love that look though. Now this is super interesting too. It's definitely new. Is it new? Looks new. Kind of a pain to ship too. Oh, just some casual feet laying around. So I've kind of run through all my favorite booths. Not really seeing anything that catches my eye. Now, when I come here, I normally start with the cases up front, but this time I saved them for last, so it's not over yet. All right, so a couple things popping out here. One, this music box, $28, even with the discount. It's a little bit close for that version. It's very close to one of the Valentine's Day girl music boxes that does sell for a lot, but at that price, I really can't bite the bullet. The other thing that is interesting to me is this face vase. I'm trying to make out what the stamp is on the bottom. It's $24 and then 30%. It's definitely handmade. It's unusual. I might pull that out. And whereas I'm not much of an art glass person, I really do appreciate that bowl. I've bought things like that in the past, and honestly, it's taken me a surprising amount of time to sell. It's a really good price though, super fair. And then last but not least, this doll back here. Now, this is definitely a Snow White composition doll in an unusual outfit. She's $50 and then 30%, so $35. I cheated, I already did the math just to double check. I've sold her in the past. $35 is a little bit more than I'd like to spend. She's really unique though. But this guy caught my eye. He is fantastic. He does have a little bit of droopy neck syndrome going on, but it kind of matches his droopy eyes. $13.50 and then 30%. He's in pretty good condition too. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and grab him. He's pretty special. All right, so far I've spent $29, which is definitely on the thrifty side. So I'm gonna go over to Black Rose and see what we got. 2 items, 2 stops, not bad. They're both super unique. So I'm gonna keep it rolling here before I drop all this stuff off at auction. I cannot wait to not have stuff in my car. Now I'm at Black Rose in Hanover. I just saw the time for the first time. I saw the time for the first time, and I realized that this is not taking me as long as I thought it would. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do after this. I'm a little bit early, which never happens. Okay, but how adorable are these? Oh my gosh, stop. $8. I'm definitely gonna get this. That is too cute. And I'm gonna get the dog too. Oh, that is adorable. The frame is even got some age to it. I'm really into this trophy with the majorette on it. Made in Italy. That's cool. $12. I've bought and sold trophies in the past. They usually take a while to offload. Kind of looking around here. Here's that. I think I looked at this last time. I can't remember. $9. No, I don't think I did. But it's also not what I thought it was. It's just the top to something. I thought it was a string holder at first. Whoa. How cute. I've never seen this exact one. I think I'm gonna go ahead and look this up. I feel like it's gotta be worth more than $13. So I only found one and it sold for $44 plus shipping. I kind of feel like that's a little outrageous, but either way, I'll definitely be able to double my money. I probably won't charge that much, even though those are the comps I saw. I just don't see that selling for that much. But like I said, at least I'll be able to double my money easily, I feel like, on this. super cute Girl Scout stuff in this pin. In this case, look at me. I'm looking at the pin. I had that one once before. It sold really quick, and I feel like I kind of know why now. This one says $40. It's got the original tag, though. What is this? Brown, missing the W. It's still a really cute charm bracelet. It's probably got a lot of nickel in it, though. Wow, look at this Girl Scouts cardigan. I really love this. $24. It's in like perfect condition, and actually looks like it would fit a human. It's not itchy either. I bet it's super warm. I'm actually gonna go ahead and look this one up too. So it kind of seems like $24 is the median price. If I was buying this for myself, which honestly, if I didn't have a million sweaters, I would be tempted to, I would grab it. But for resale, someone might get mad at me for doing this, but I'm gonna leave it behind. Well, this is adorable. And its face is in pretty great condition too. It's only $5. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. You know what though? I'm actually a little bit hesitant. That plastic material is making me second guess myself. And now I'm seeing there's a little spot. I'm just too on the fence. I think I'm getting a little carried away. I'm gonna put him back. This bank kind of looks like Goble. Let's see. Is it? It is. $15. That's a really good price. It's not my absolute favorite though. What is this boxer mug? $35. That is neat. That clown is a little terrifying. Whoa. Schmidt, Japan. Does this work? Hold on, I need both hands for this. So she works great. It's kind of a shipping nightmare, but she's so pretty. I feel like I could ship that safely. I'm so hesitant. I need to think about that. She's really spectacular, but I'm really afraid she'll end up broken. Her hands are bisque and super fragile. Well, this is what originally caught my eye, these wooden dancers. These are so neat. I've never seen anything quite like those. Wait a minute. Dang, 28. Still a good price. The last one I sold of these sold for like $42 or something, I want to say. But I'm afraid that it won't do it again. And I see this one has a crack, so I'm gonna put that back. Wow, what a great jar. I love this star lid, and it's jadeite. $15. I feel like that's super fair. Man, love that. Oh my gosh, I could not help but laugh. And it's not supposed to be that way, clearly, but I kind of like it better that way. Oh, this tray is so cute. Hong Kong. Oh my gosh, the snowman one. Oh, I normally don't like to buy things this big, but I feel like, how can I resist this? It's so cute. I am gonna pass today though. Don't get too upset with me. Do notice this little elf? This guy's only $4, so I'm definitely gonna snag him. That is a steal. Love his marching band hat. Oh man, I'm dying over this little egg timer. Wait, $2.99 as, oh, dang, it's like so broken. I cannot justify that. I actually am afraid to even pick it up. I don't know why I did. That is a shame, because I was really excited too, because the paint's all there. All right, let's see what else they got. I I normally don't even come in this booth because it's always firm. Yeah, 18 firm. But I saw whatever this is and I kind of just had to know. Wow, it weighs like 1,000,000 pounds. I can barely pick it up. Yeah, I'm gonna put that back. I got my chuckle out of it. What is happening with this bear? Holy cow. Looks like he does not have a tag. I'm not seeing anything near it. I feel like this has a really strange energy. I'm gonna put that back. I'm kind of remorseful I picked that up. Okay, well, I love this bank. I've only seen it in the light version before, like a lamp. It's only $5. Is that a crack? Yeah, it's a little crack. Dang. Now I also have to investigate this guy. Okay, well, he's missing a wing. It's $8. It's really, I mean, it's worth $8 just for the, the chuckle alone. I'm really tempted to get this. I think I might look this guy up. It's an unusual size. I feel like normally they're smaller. Oh my gosh, that noise gets me every time. But now I'm also noticing he's missing his tail feathers, so if it was just one wing, I would probably get him, honestly, just because he's so strange. I feel like the fact that he's missing a wing actually adds to his character, but maybe not both things. Is this left in? Oh, the reproductions of these can be so... Yes. Let's see. It's got a little tiny nick on the bottom there. But looks in good condition overall. He is one of the older ones. For $8.50, I kind of can't resist. I'm gonna throw that in my basket there. This is a really interesting little vase too. I love the pockets on it. It's $9.50, but 30% off. So I think that comes like six something. I feel like I should get this. Yeah, it's really cute. Different. I'm also into this vase. That is a really unusual shape. It's got some weight to it. Really like this. For $6, I kind of feel like, why not switch it up a little? So I ended up spending $54 in there. So my total for the day is $83, which is great. Under 100 is always a good thing. I'm gonna go clean out my car now, and I think that's it. See you guys tomorrow.